Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So in today's video I'm popping on with a little card. I'm not sure what I'm going to call my card. However, once I have it up on my channel, you will see what I decided. I've got a 5x7" card, and all I've done is I've inked around the edge of my card using these lovely little inks. You get 20 in the set. They're acid free and they're brilliant. There's loads and loads of lovely colours. I will leave the link in my description box below, and what I've done is I've taken this little one, when I get it, this lovely rosy ink, and I've just gone around the edge on the front of the card. Then I've taken a circle die and I've popped it onto my card, and I've cut away sort of half of the circle, and I have been left with this shape. And then what I've done is I have cut some foliage out using some dies that I have in my stash. I've also stamped this lovely flower using my ink pads, and this is a Dreamees stamp set from a long while ago, and then inside I've popped a little gem. So what I'm going to start doing is taking my lovely little flowers and I'm popping some ink onto the back of my flower, and I am popping them around the half circle, just something like, just want to move that one like that. So I'm just going to carry on around my card, popping my little flowers in like so. It's lovely to be back. I haven't been on for a couple of weeks now. I've been poorly. I'm a lot better than I was. Not quite there yet, however. I've really missed doing my crafting, so I wanted to come back on and share my make with you all today. I hope you are all well. So I'm just popping my last flower at the bottom like so. I've finished my flowers now, and I've got some foliage. I've got a few different pieces of foliage. I've decided I want to go with the little pieces, and what I am going to do is kind of tuck those, and I'm just going to work my way around my card. We'll come around about, yes, I think there. So I'm just going to finish my foliage off, and then I'll be back. Next, I've cut myself 3 little butterflies, and I've taken the stamp from this Fairy Wishes stamp set. So everything that I use I will pop into my description box below, and all I want to do is just pop a little bit of glue on the back, and I'm just going to pop one at the top, like so. I am then going to pop one into the middle. Well, actually, yeah, about there, like so. And my last one, I am going to pop at the bottom, and I am just going to pop that one there, like that. Now I've just taken some of my card and I'm just going to pop this inside my card, leaving a slight little bit of white border around the edge. Okay, so I've cut myself a little piece of my pink card, the same as the piece inside, and I just want to go around the edge with my ink pad, just to take the little bits of white away from the edges. I've then taken this little thank you sentiment, stamped it onto a piece of my white card, and all I want to do is pop some glue along the back of the sentiment, and then I want to pop it just onto my card like so, leaving a little border around the edge. And then I've popped some glue down the edge of my sentiment, and what I want to do is just line this up with the edge of my card and the center flower. I'm just going to press that down so that sticks nicely on to there. I'll just pop my lid back on my glue. I've been great with my glue. I've got myself a lovely little tub here, and I'm keeping my glue turned upside down, which is good for me. So yeah, there you go. There is my finished thank you card. I've really enjoyed making this today and getting back into my crafting after being poorly. So if you have enjoyed today's video, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also leaving me a comment? I would really love to hear from you. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, would you please consider subscribing? I would be really grateful for this. And thank you to all my new subscribers and also to my existing subscribers for all your support. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.